Hi everyone, this is Introman and I want to show you now how it's working the materials. I make a cube and now if I break this you can see he's make here a new materials, the blue inside and the red outside. If I don't want to make a new materials, I make a new cube. For example, I use here small pieces like 50. I make a new material. This is my material, for example. I make a green. If I use now, I have only one material here. If I break, you can see he's make only inside. Now, if I use two materials, I make another material and I yellow. And now I want this is inside and this is outside. So if I have bigger two materials, the first one is always the inside and the second is outside. I use this to see how it looks like. So you have this, and this don't create any material. Now I'm going to show you the multi-materials. I delete all of them. I make another cube a little higher. I use here like this. I make an EW. I make 4 materials, for example, maybe 5, and another 1, 6. So I use here red. Here I use green. Here I use blue. Here I use yellow. And here I use orange, and finally it's black. I want to show you now the multi-selection material, so I need to do here some selections. This is my red, this is my green, this is my blue, this is my yellow, and the final, this one, and this one is my black. So if I go now inside, I have a material orange. I go my orange in the first, because I said before always the first is the inside material. Now I break this. Now you can see I have all my materials and inside I have orange. The last I want to show you now is the textures. So let's make this. Now I want to show you how it's working. They use only one material. This is working only for if you have select a multi-object. For example, I have 3 multi-objects like this, and I select them, and I don't use material to see what happens. I delete this material, I don't need them. So you can see here he's make a lot of materials for every cube, because he need one red side, one blue side, and one red outside. If I don't want to have a lot of materials, I delete these materials. I select all of them. I delete these 2 materials and select all of them, and now I use only material. Now you can see I have only red and blue. If I want to change this, very easy. I click and I change, or I drag here. For example, if I have here a material, I can hold the Alt key, and I can drag here and I can change. The next I want to show you now is the fixed textures transition. So I delete this to explain how it's working this. I apply here a black material. This is my inside and this is my outside, and I go here and I use as flat, and I go in this material and I make here my texture a little scale. If I ready now, you can see, wait, I need to title off. If ready now, you can see I have here a small reduced material, and here my black. Now if I break this, and I read them, it's not correct. I don't can see here like before. So if I want to fix this, it's very easy. Just you click this fix texture transition. So I click in and I catastrophe again, and now you can see it's nice like before. So it's working. So that's how it's working the materials. Thank you for watching.